Hey everybody, I'm Mecca here from my self-publishing Blueprint, and in today's Kindle tip, I want to talk about should you be running AMS ads for a brand new book? All right, AMS stands for Amazon Marketing Services. These are the little sponsored or display ads that you can have to help promote your books even that much more on the Kindle Amazon platform. I use AMS ads for a lot of my best-selling books. I think it's one of the best ways to get additional promotion at a cost for your particular books. Let's say you're in the position where it's your very first book. Should you be running AMS ads or not? You have to look at it like this. Do you have any experience running ads in other platforms, whether it be FBA or Facebook ads or whatever? Do you know how to write proper copy that's going to engage your reader or engage your potential readers to click and purchase your book? It's really a decision you have to make on your own. AMS ads can cost you a ton of money if you don't know what you're doing. I've been there and lost a lot of money running AMS ads that I didn't know what I was doing. But on the other side of things, AMS ads can be extremely profitable for you when you understand what you're doing right. They do take, there's a learning curve, just like anything else in life. There's going to be a bit of a learning curve. It's up to you if you want to start running AMS ads for your first book, or if you want to wait till your third, fourth, or fifth book. It's totally up to you. Whatever you choose, play around with it. Make sure you're monitoring the keywords. And hey, click the link below. I've got Dave Chesson's The Kindlepreneur free course on how to run AMS ads effectively. Check it out. It's a fantastic free resource. I personally love this course, gone through it a few times, drastically improved my books, positioning as well as income after tweaking my AMS ads with some of the resources that he talks about inside the course. Till next time, everybody, I'm a Mecca. If you enjoyed this Kindle tip, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get more great Kindle tips. Till next time, speak to y'all soon. Take care.